Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Start by matching intake to established daily amounts. Adult RDA. Men 900 micro-G-Ray, women 700 micro-G-Ray. Do not exceed the tolerable upper intake level of 3,000 micro-G-Ray of performed vitamin A because excess retinol causes toxicity. Prefer food sources first, then consider supplements when intake is insufficient. Whole foods provide cofactors and safer provitamina carotenoids. Track typical servings. For example, 50-100 grams of liver. Timing matters because vitamin A is fat-soluble. Take vitamin A with some dietary fat, for example 1 teaspoon olive oil, 5 ml, or with a meal containing 5-10 grams of fat to improve absorption. If using a supplement, follow label dosing such as 700-900 micro-G-Ray daily or a physician plan rather than guessing. Space high-dose supplements and retinoid medications to avoid interactions, and maintain consistent timing to monitor effects on skin, vision, and lab values. Understand forms and safety. Pregnant people should avoid high-performed vitamin A doses above 3,000 micro-G-Ray because of birth defect risk. Check prenatal guidance. Prefer provitamina carotenoids from plants if concerned about toxicity, since conversion is regulated by the body. Discuss supplements, liver intake, and medications with your clinician and check liver function if using high doses or long courses. Keep records of total daily intake from multivitamins, fortified foods, and single nutrient supplements to prevent cumulative excess.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.